Hi everyone. So this is my lesson using the computer or online application of a, a concept which is events. So I used code.org. So my students had already created a project in Sprite Lab. So we were mostly working with creating a background in our sprites and having our sprites do some behaviors and um, stuff like that. So it's mostly this code right here. So for this lesson, I'm going to introduce the events, which are located here in the events tab. And there you can see there are several events. Um, I am primarily focusing on the first four events, but students can then go on to explore the rest of the events that are available after we go over the first four. So um, the first one was here, it was when or while, and then you could have any button pressed. So I chose when space is pressed, my sprites are going to stop doing all the things that we coded over here for them to do. So if I go ahead and run and I press the space bar, they essentially stop what they're doing. So that was the first event. The second one was when whatever the sprite of your choosing was clicked, it would do something. So I chose for my uh, sprite to change its costume when it's clicked. So let's go ahead and run. And when I click it, it changes to a new costume. So that was that one. The next one I would go over would be when the two sprites touch each other. So that's the one down here. And it just automatically changes the behavior of this sprite to from moving east and looping to spinning right. So you can see that right there when they touch, then the purple one starts spinning. Okay, and then the last one was I wanted to create something that happened at a certain time period or an event that um, happened at a time period. So what I did was originally I had this code in my when run area here, but what happened was they would say the things at the same time. So creating this at 3 second event, I could have a little bit of a delay in the response of my second sprite. So there it wasn't as confusing. So anyway, this was my short lesson for the computer. Like I said, we had already, as a class, we had already gone into Sprite Lab and done the majority of the work. This was just introducing some of the events that were available to them via the events tab. Thank you.